holy guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. Well guys, it's that time of year. Look what I got. Let's put it together and let's give it a go and see how it works. I've needed a tiller in my garden for years. So let's get this going. Oh my gosh, y'all. I love it. And it wasn't as hard to put together as I thought it would be. So let me show you. So guys, the weather is nice enough to be in the garden, and I'm gonna plant some Detroit red beets and some Bettina beets. I'm also gonna try a new tiller I have, thanks to IncwBo for sponsoring this video. And we're gonna use it and hopefully get my potato seeds in the ground before the weather rains tomorrow. So let's do that, and then I'm gonna show you how it works. So first thing I'm doing is just getting rid of some sticks that I'm finding around, moving some leaves aside. Feels so good to be in the garden. Oh my gosh, I've been thinking about this since January. I love winter, but when it starts to get too cold, and I don't know, I just crave being outside. Even though I'm not crazy about the heat, this time of year is perfect. Look, man, I haven't had this in years. Wow, thank you, IncwBo. So it's also 15 amp. It's got 6 blades down there. It's got more strength than I thought it would, but it's not too heavy for me. I mean, I'm only 5'3", maybe, barely, and I can handle it. So this is definitely gonna be worth it this summer for me. It's gonna save me a lot of back-breaking work. If you don't have one, please get one. And wow, I'm impressed. So let's keep going. Wow, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Guys, are you seeing this power? It's handling it. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is gonna be so handy. it even goes deep. At the trench that I was able to create. I mean, with a shovel alone, this would have taken me a tremendous amount of time and a lot of back-breaking work. So now I can go a little deeper and plant my potatoes. The thing with this machine is, don't spray it with water, like a water hose, to clean it. Clean the blades off with a damp cloth or a brush. And then just you put it away for next time. It also has wheel adjustments in the back, so I can either lift the wheels to have it go deeper, or I can leave them like that and just let it guide me. So I left them down. Oh man, I love it. I love it. IncwBo, you did a great job, especially for us gardeners that I can't handle a large machine. This is perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much, IncwBo. I really appreciate it. And I highly recommend it. And you know I give honest reviews on this channel. If I didn't like it, you know I'd tell you guys. But this one, yeah, I like this one. I'm impressed. Oh, I'm so happy. I am so happy. Anyway, get yourself one. I'll link it below. And it won't disappoint. What do you think? Nice. All right, let's get my potatoes. So these are my seed potatoes. They're Yukon Gold. Usually potatoes are spaced apart by 12 inches. And you know, the depth, I don't know. I've never measured them, so I just dig as far as I think they can go, and then I just put them down, and that's the end of it. Hopefully this year the moles won't come and eat my potatoes, but if they do, they do. At least the tiller is amazing. Just gonna put them down here, more or less, you know. I don't know. To me, gardening is not about perfection. It's about just enjoying it, growing your own food, just having a good time. I don't measure also, so. We're gonna try. That's about right. I have an extra one. I think I'll just tighten these two up and put it down here. What do you think? I think it's gonna be great. So I'm just gonna get this tool. I'm just gonna cover them up. All right, I'm gonna do a row of beets, Detroit Red, and a row of Bettina. So I used to scatter these, broadcast them, but this year I just want to do a straight row. I don't want to broadcast anything, just to see if it's different this year. And yeah, I still have a lot of leaves. Leaves are a big part of my life, guys. They're everywhere. Nothing I could do. I live in the forest, and they're just here. So if you don't know what beetroot seeds look like, this is what they look like. And now's the time when I just start planting them. And I just put them on the surface and just push them down with my finger. I don't count anymore. I used to. I just put them down. And I'll show you one. Whoa, I almost fell. So I'll do some with you. Here's the beetroot. And basically I just go like this. And just go like that. And that's it. And I don't take my eyes off it. I just go down the row. And eventually you'll see a line pop up. You know what? I did the straight line. But these two here, I want to broadcast them again and just see what happens. So basically that means you just take them and throw them there. So what happens when the beetroot is broadcasted like that and you don't thin them out, usually you'll just get smaller beetroot. But that's okay because they're still edible and delicious. So now I'm going to do these 2 boxes with the patina, and then we're going to call it a day. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Get yourself an IncwBo tiller. You're not going to be disappointed. I'm sure not. I want to thank them again for sponsoring this video. And press that subscribe button. Watch my videos. Share them with family and friends. Don't forget that little hype button. Helps us out. It's free. See you all next time. Take care.